without memorizing huge grammar books. You can say them instantly by using simple three-letter patterns. Master these 50 verbs right now and speak effortlessly.
How do we learn them fast today? You will listen to simple questions, hear the direct Arabic answer, and practice with me. Let's start right now. How to say he wrote. You can say كتب. He wrote. كتب. Viewers, read after me. كتب. How do I say he read? You can say قرأ. He read. قرأ. Viewers, read after me. How to say he ate. You can say أكل. He ate. أكل. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he drank? You can say شرب. He drank. شرب. Viewers, read after me. How to say he went. You can say ذهب. He went. ذهب. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he returned? You can say رجع. He returned. رجع. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he entered? You can say دخل. He entered. دخل. Viewers, read after me. Viewers, let's pause here for a moment. Look at how all these words sound at the end. Can you hear the short ah sound on every single verb? Tell me in the comments below if you notice this pattern. How do I say he left? You can say خرج. He left. خرج. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he sat? You can say جلس. He sat. جلس. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he stood up? You can say قام. He stood up. قام. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he slept? You can say نام. He slept. نام. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he washed? You can say غسل. He washed. غسل. Viewers, read after me. How do I say he cooked?
You can say طبخ. He cooked. طبخ. Viewers, read after me.
How to say he worked? You can say عمل. He worked. عمل. Viewers, read after me. عمل. How do I say he bought? You can say اشترى. He bought. اشترى. Viewers, read after me. اشترى. Viewers, let's test your ear. The word for he worked is عمل, and the word for he did is فعل. Which one sounds easier for you to pronounce? Drop a comment below right now. How to say he paid? You can say دفع. He paid. دفع. Viewers, read after me. دفع. How do I say he took? You can say أخذ. He took. أخذ. Viewers, read after me. أخذ. How to say he gave? You can say أعطى. He gave. أعطى. Viewers, read after me. أعطى. How do I opened? You can say فتح. He opened. فتح. Viewers, read after me. فتح. How do I say he closed? You can say أغلق. He closed. أغلق. Viewers, read after me. أغلق. How do I say he laughed? You can say ضحك. He laughed. ضحك. Viewers, read after me. ضحك. How do I say he cried? You can say بكى. He cried. بكى. Viewers, read after me. بكى. How do I say he walked? You can say مشى. He walked. مشى. Viewers, read after me. مشى. How do I say he ran? You can say جرى. He ran. جرى. Viewers, read after me. جرى. How do I say he traveled? You can say سافر. He traveled. سافر. Viewers, read after me. سافر. How do I say he lived? You can say سكن. He lived. سكن. Viewers, read after me. سكن. How do I say he waited? You can say انتظر. He waited. انتظر. Viewers, read after me. انتظر. How do I say he found? You can say وجد. He found. وجد. Viewers, read after me. وجد. How do I say he lost? You can say فقد. He lost. فقد. Viewers, read after me. فقد. Viewers, let's look at the opposites. وجد is to find and فقد is to lose. Write both of these in the comments right now to help lock them into your memory. How do I say he asked? You can say سأل. He asked. سأل. Viewers, read after me. سأل. How do I say he answered? You can say أجاب. He answered. أجاب. Viewers, read after me. أجاب. How do I say he forgot? You can say نسي. He forgot. نسي. Viewers, read after me. نسي. How do I say he remembered? You can say تذكر. He remembered. تذكر. Viewers, read after me. تذكر. How do I say he began? You can say بدأ. He began. بدأ. Viewers, read after me. بدأ. How do I say he finished? You can say انتهى. He finished. انتهى. Viewers, read after me. انتهى. How do I say he played? You can say لعب. He played. لعب. Viewers, read after me. لعب. How do I say he won? You can say فاز. He won. فاز. Viewers, read after me. فاز. How do I say he lost a game? You can say خسر. He lost a game. خسر. Viewers, read after me. خسر. How do I say he bought? You can say باع. He sold. باع. Viewers, read after me. باع. How do I say he brought? You can say أحضر. He brought. أحضر. Viewers, read after me. أحضر. How do I say he put? You can say وضع. He put. وضع. Viewers, read after me. وضع. How do I say he carried? You can say حمل. He carried. حمل. Viewers, read after me. حمل. How do I say he helped? You can say ساعد. He helped. ساعد. Viewers, read after me. ساعد. How do I say he broke? You can say كسر. He broke. كسر. Viewers, read after me. كسر. Incredible consistency. Practicing like this makes past tense verbs completely automatic. Viewers, how many did you get correct? Tell us your score in the comments section below. Make sure to click the like button, subscribe to Core Arabic 101, and share this video with other beginners. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. See you in our next video lesson.